I'm going to call this video the story of the injured mourning dove. What are you made of? Today, I come along down the street and I do a lot of bicycle riding. Actually, it's a great stress reliever. But I seen a mourning dove that was injured on a corner. I was sitting there on the corner, halfway out in the street, not moving. A few drops of blood on its beak. Obviously, it wasn't going anywhere, I didn't think. And cars are driving by, turning the corner, and this woman I seen come turn the corner. She almost stopped, but then she obviously seen the bird, and she drove over top of it, straddling it with the wheels, and the back corner caught like the corner of the bird wing tail side, and the bird flew out from under the car. It made a circle and came back right in the same spot. Oddly, came back in the same spot. And at that point when I first seen it, I thought, well, you might as well just kill that bird, because that'll save it from a lot of continuous suffering, because this will be a slow death. And so I go over and I nudged it with a wheel of my bike, and it flew up, and it flew really well, but obviously its one or both legs were broken. And when it landed on the other side of the street, but it didn't go to the grass, didn't go to the shade. And there it sat on the edge of the street again. But that woman who, instead of stopping, just drove over the bird, if she got in a car accident, I wouldn't call 911. I would just walk away, let her suffer. Because if you don't have any empathy for animals, you really don't have anything right, period. You just, whatever, don't care, about that woman. But that bird, is like, yeah, several hours this afternoon has been in my mind. But I mean, what are you made of? When we talk about vaccines, you doctors, and you pro-vaccine trolling shills that do nothing but deny the truth about vaccines for profit, for money. I mean, can't you work a regular job? Just like the criminal element out there, and there's plenty of that. Can't you work a regular job? I mean, do you just intend to do more harm than good on the earth for the rest of your life? Do you stand for anything? What is your life worth? Life is short and death is sure. The only thing that's sure is death and taxes. But you people who post on Facebook and all vaccine truth, I should say, there's no such thing as anti-vaccine, because, and I'll tell you why, because all of us believed the vaccine lies that they told us. We believed that polio was wiped out, smallpox was wiped out. This got to be a good deal. Certainly, with vaccines, we thought that they would have studied toxicity. I mean, any adverse effect on human health would be known. Just like with their drugs, their pharmaceutical drugs, we think that the clinical trials in the FDA would be on top of that. And well, if there's any adverse effect, we're going to balance the more harm than good. We're going to say, well, we can't approve this drug or this vaccine because it's doing more harm than good. I used to think, I was such a sheeple. I used to think that if there was anything bad about anything in a product out there, of any kind, be it a food product, be it a cosmetic product, be it a, shower use shampoo, I thought they would know if it was bad. They don't care. All they're doing is supporting, unless it gets really, really, really bad. I mean, look at Vioxx. Vioxx killed like scores of people, injured scores of people, heart attacks, and the FDA did nothing. It took American Heart Association, American Rheumatoid Arthritis Association, or whatever that's called, to directly contact Merck and say, you need to do new clinical trials. We're seeing this, and this. You need to do clinical trials all over again. So they did, and they failed. And they knew when they did the clinical trials the first time that Vioxx was a bad deal. They knew it, and they pushed it anyway. They don't care. Merck is basically the most unscrupulous and destructive of health pharmaceutical company in the world, and GSK is right behind it. Bayer, straight out of Nazi Germany. they need to first focus on what is the basis of physiological health: toxicity, cellular nutrition. I mean, it's all on my website, VacFacts.info. And VacFacts, V-A-C, facts.info is my site, my website. Been doing research on that whole issue since 2008. Put it all together on one website. I don't even know how many pages I got on that website. There's so many, categorized by title, that but it's all there. If you want to learn, it's there. There you'll see nothing but article titles and URLs. Just a massive amount, a mind-boggling amount. So where on each subject matter you can go in and educate yourself. You don't even have to go to Google. You can just go to VacFacts.info, because under subject category it's all there. With that, I think I'll just end this video. Get long enough. Thank you very much. I'll be making another one whenever I see an issue that needs to be addressed. Thank you very much.